I'm Michelle, I'm 47 years old, and I wear full dentures. These are my permanent dentures that I have had since November. I've had them almost 6 months, and I'm going to apply cushion grip because they are starting to get a little loose. Let's apply this to my dentures so that my dentures fit without adhesive. I don't have to worry about food getting caught under, and they make them fit custom to my mouth. The first thing you're going to want to do is soak your cushion grip in some warm to hot water. You want to make sure your hands are clean and dry because it will stick to your fingers if not. I actually won this product in a giveaway and I tried it and I really liked it. You want to roll it in your hands and kind of play with it a little bit. You can use as little or as much as you need, and you can always apply more after it's cured. It will adhere to itself, so you don't have to worry about taking it off. You can just apply more if needed. I don't need a whole lot on the top, so I just put a little bit. My top still fits pretty good. And this is going to stay on your denture. It's waterproof, so you don't have to worry about reapplying. This will stay on your denture. You clean your dentures as normal after it's cured. It's going to make your life so much easier. It's going to look something like this when you're done. You're going to put it in your mouth and apply firm pressure. Okay, let's do the bottom. And you want to make sure, again, my hands are a little bit wet from putting that in my mouth. I want to make sure my hands are clean and dry again before we do the bottom. Now the bottom, I like to use a little bit more because if you have a bottom denture, you know, the bottom can be tricky for sure. Okay, so here's what that's going to look like. And then we're going to put it in the bottom. Ready? Push down with firm pressure. But yeah, that is it. So now my dentures are going to be super comfortable. Food's not going to get under. I don't have to worry about putting any adhesive to hold my dentures in place. It's going to take 4 hours, remember. So wait 4 hours before you eat anything. So make sure you eat before if you're hungry. After the 4 hours, you can take them out. You can put them in a denture cup overnight, but do not soak them. Wait the 24 hours and then you're free to soak them and clean them like you normally would, and then you can change this out. Some people do it every week, some people do it every couple weeks. It all depends, whatever works for you. All right, well, I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you, Cushion Grip, for sponsoring this video.